Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Fantastic day here. Just want to show you a couple new sort of bargain plants that I've picked up from Morrisons. Quite heavily discounted, and I suppose just a little bit about kind of what I look for when I'm looking at sort of discounted plants and things like that. Just as we walk out to the area where I've got them at the moment, just see a lot of stuff really starting to fill in now in the garden. Getting some beautiful pops of color. Really quite pleased it's starting to kind of really wake up for the year. Just we come down here, so to show you, we ended up picking up these two here. So you may have seen these before. I do have both of these in the garden already, but this is your Eucalyptus azure, and then next to that we've got our Azalea Starlight, which again we've actually got one planted right here. This one we picked up earlier in the year. Love the kind of look on this. But with these plants here, again, originally these were £10 when they first kind of came out for any reductions or anything like that. This one is down to just 75p. So, you know, less than $1 for this, less than £1. You know, really can't go wrong with that. And as you can see, still looks fairly green. You know, there's a lot of signs of green on here. It just looks essentially that kind of the flowers that you can see on here. We kind of going a little quicker. You can just see these. They're quite a unique flower, but yeah, you can see it's kind of come out of flower here. And when I picked up the pot, again, I could tell straight away it's just not been watered. It was inside. It's very, very dry. So hence it's, you know, going to drop these flowers first. But as I can see quite a bit of green, I thought, you know, 75p, and let me know in the comment section below, reduced down from £10, you know, whether you'd pick something up like that. Definitely worth, I think, having a look in the discount aisles here. And this one here, originally 15, marked down to £3.75. Again, I think it's a great price for these. And you know, here you can see this is quite sort of soft and just kind of flopped over, where again, looking into this pot, it is bone dry in there. You know, looking at some of the compost here, yeah, it's not even moistening my fingers here, you can see. So that's give it a really, really good water in. And as you can see here, lower down, some of this is quite kind of crinkly, kind of coming off, which is to be expected on the kind of lower stuff when it does start to kind of dry out. So I'm going to give it a really heavy good water. What I'm going to do with this one as well is I'm going to keep it sort of in sort of a part shade for a little while before I actually figure out where it's going, or if I do figure it out, maybe in the part shade anyway. Again, this is a dwarf variety, so it really doesn't get to the kind of huge ones that we've heard of on some of the eucalyptus, which some of the gunny eye species can get absolutely enormous and grow very, very quickly. Again, this is a dwarf variety, so it should stay sort of bushy and small. But again, I think if we get these kind of watered in, you know, we've got another azure just over here. Really think they'll kind of fill in. And once again, when it comes to kind of the discount aisle, if you know what you're looking for and it doesn't look completely frazzled, you know, I'd say for those sorts of prices, it's you know, definitely worth a you know, worth a punt at that sort of level. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have picked up anything interesting or on discount recently, or seen any ones that's kind of too hard to pass up. Probably don't need more plants, but yeah, as you say here, you know, for less than £5 in total, you know, I'm getting two quite a decent plants and get those kind of watered and whatnot, and kind of see where they go from there. But with that said, guys, I hope you enjoy the kind of hot weather that we're coming up here, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.